Hello friends, my name is Pushkar Sagde and today I'm going to show you how to use Jdbc programming by taking input from the user. So let's start with our Jdbc programming. So here is my MySQL database connector which are used to establish a connection from Jdbc to the MySQL database, and this is my Java EE Eclipse. So we start, it is the ID for the Jdbc programming. So let's start with our new project. It is our Java project. Let's say our project name is tutorial 4. Next, here in this library you need to attach an external jar which is nothing but a MySQL database connector which is on desktop. So here it is, and click on the finish. So here our project is created. Now create new class in that project. So create, right click, new, and class. Let's say name of the class is Jdbc. Just click here, that is a main method and a inherited abstract method. Click on finish. Here is our structure of class. So write the program. So our first line is, as we know that, class dot phoname. Here package name of the MySQL driver, that is com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver, semicolon. Then for establishing connection, one interface is used, which is connection, one reference con equal to driver manager. It is nothing but a class dot method name is get connection. So here we are using three parameters. The first one is URL, the second one is user, and third one is password. So URL is nothing but the path to our database. So just type it in double quotes, that is jdbc colon mysql colon double slash. Here it is the name of your IP address. So I'm using on the same machine, so it is localhost colon port number of the MySQL database, which is by default 3306 slash, and here it is name of your database. So it depends on you what type of database you have. So my database name is employee. So our second parameter is user. So name of my user is root, and third one is password. My password is root123 semicolon. Yes. Here we need to consider on this error. So it says that we need to import one package, that is import connection, only from java.sql, not from the com.mysql.jdbc, only from java.sql. So click on this, see this package is imported. So again, this class.forName method throw an exception. So click here, it say that surround with try catch. So for handling the error, you need to surround it with try catch. So here it is. It's better you copy paste this line here. Yeah. So it does not throw any error. So here it is one more error, that is it also throw an exception which is named as SQL exception. So we need to handle it. So just add catch clause to the surrounding try. Click on here. Here it is. It handles this error, SQL exception. So our next line is for execution of our SQL query. So we need to use interface statement sta with statement st equal to con dot create statement. This is a method. Okay, this is enough. Now we need to take the input from the user, so just take input syso enter employee id. So for taking input from the user, we need to import one package whose name is scanner. So just use it in main method. In main method, just type it scanner, reference name that is scanner equal to new scanner. Here it is capital S, and in the bracket pass the parameter system dot in. Just import the java.util package from here. So here it is. So all are set. Now we can easily take the input from the user. So below this line, our employee ID is integer, so type int empid equal to scanner dot next int. This is a method for integer value. Just concentrate on this parameter. Here it is small s, not a capital S, so here it is reference. So our next statement is similarly you can take many input from the user and depend on your table in the database. Enter employee name. So employee name is character, so it is string emp name equal to scanner dot next, not next int, only next. So the third one is enter employee salary. Salary is integer, so again int scanner dot next int. For integer int and for string only next. So here it is our, we take the input from the user. Now we need to only execute our SQL query. So below this, by using the reference of the interface statement, we need to call one method, that is st dot execute update. So now we need to write our SQL query here. So insert into our table name is emp info value, and in the bracket we need to mention these parameters. So there are one more method to type these parameters. So just type it single quotes, double quotes, plus sign with append sign, and type the input parameter. That is our first one is empid plus sign, double quote sign, and single quote sign. Just similar. Next thing, single quotes, double quotes, plus sign, and emp name. From here, this is emp name. Again, close it, plus sign, double quotes, and single quotes, comma, and the third parameter for that single quote, double quotes, plus sign. The third one is emp salary. So plus sign, double quotes, and single quotes. This is our SQL query. Now the next thing, we need to write one print statement so that we come to know that our value are inserted into our table. So type one statement, values inserted successfully. Thank you. So it's better you write one statement here just below the connection statement, so you come to know that our connection is established. So write connection established. So all are set. Now our program is ready. Just check it one more time. So now we open our MySQL, that is MySQL command line client. Just my password is root123. Here MySQL is get connected. Now my database name is employee, so use emp employee. So database change. Now just we check whether any values are in my database. This table, select star from table name is emp info. Yes, here are two value, Pushkar and Neha. So now we insert more value. So let's execute this. Right click, run as Java application, select jdbc.java and OK. It shows that connection is established. Enter employee ID. So employee ID is 101. Employee name is and salary is so value inserted successfully. Thank you. So let's check in our database. So just again execute this query, select star from employee info. So it shows that our third value is inserted. Similarly, you can write number of queries for such a method. You can take number of input from the user and store it in a database. So this is the program of taking input from the user in the Jdbc programming. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.